Hi, this is Hallelujah by Alexandra Burke. I heard there was a secret chord that David played and pleased the Lord. You don't really care for music, do ya? Well, it goes like this: the fourth and fifth, the minor fall and the major lift, the basso king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof, her beauty and the moonlight overthrew ya. She tied you to her kitchen chair, and she broke your throne, and she cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Maybe there's a God above, but all I've ever learned in love is how to shoot somebody who outdrew ya. It's not a cry that you hear at night. It's not someone who's seen the light. It's a cold and it's a broken